diving straight into the pink look. As you can see, I have already used a lighter concealer as my base because we're using light colors and we definitely want them to pop. So what I'm going to be doing, I am using like a pencil brush and I am going to be outlining the shape that I want my cut crease to be, okay? One thing you have to understand about such looks is that you have to be very patient while doing them. And of course, we're going to be blending a lot of it. This is just the skeleton of the whole look. So please do take your time. It definitely doesn't take 3 minutes. So this is us just reapplying the pink look. You can use any pink color or red, or you can simply use any colors that you're feeling at the moment. So this is us blending outwards, and look at the movement of my blending. So we're making sure the line that we have created does not have it's not a line, it's blended, it doesn't have any harsh lines. So go in and put as much shadow as you want. So next we're going to be adding a black shadow because I wanted an ombre effect. And notice how I put the black shadow, I kind of drew it and then I blend it out with the red. This is to make sure it also goes according to the shape that I want. And there we are, all blended. Take your time, okay? Take your time to blend. So, and then now we're going to be cutting the crease around where the black line is. As you can see, now it is going to be nice and it is going to be such a beautiful ombre. I am still in love with this look. I mean, who wouldn't? And as we're cutting the crease, guys, do remember to subscribe and do watch my other videos, and do comment on what other videos you would like. And so this is here, this is me clearing up there. I kind of messed up, so I took a clean brush and just blended the concealer in. I kind of touched the concealer onto the part that I was not cutting the crease, but worry not, accidents do happen, but hey, the look was still giving. So this is me applying a lighter pink, like a peach color, to the cut crease and then to my liner. So I wanted my liner to be a little darker than the peach, so this is me adding darker reds and a little bit of black. So be cautious while using black. Black can be stubborn to blend, so use in small quantities. And we are done. It is giving what it was supposed to be giving. So guys, do make sure you subscribe and tell me down in the comments what other tutorials you would love to see. So bye, hashtag B2B.